Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. There's nothing quite like the crunch of fluffy shave ice melting on your tongue, especially when it's drenched in sweet, vibrant flavors. Originally a staple in tropical spots like Hawaii, this icy treat has grown from simple syrups to bold, creative combinations. Now, whether you prefer classic strawberry or adventurous mango pineapple, there's a sweet shave ice waiting to hit the spot. Let's explore the best sweet flavors and how to enjoy them like a pro. The origins and popularity of sweet shave ice. Shave ice didn't start as the rainbow of sugary goodness we know today. Its roots trace back to Japan's Kakigori, a dessert made from hand-shaved ice topped with simple syrups or sweetened condensed milk. But how did it evolve into the vibrant, syrup-loaded treat we love now? The answer lies in cultural shifts, creativity, and a collective sweet tooth. From Kakigori to modern shave ice, Japanese immigrants brought Kakigori to Hawaii in the early 1900s, where it took on a life of its own. The original version was subtle, lightly sweetened with flavors like green tea or red bean. But in Hawaii, things got bolder. Locals swapped traditional toppings for tropical fruit syrups, turning it into the colorful, sugary spectacle we recognize as shave ice today. The shift wasn't just about ingredients. It was about accessibility and appeal. Ice became easier to produce, syrups more affordable, and vendors started experimenting. By the mid-20th century, Hawaiian shave ice had cemented its reputation as a must-try street food, layered with flavors like guava, passion fruit, and coconut. Other cultures put their own spin on it too. Taiwan introduced snow ice, a creamier, fluffier version with condensed milk as a base. Korea popularized patbingsu, loaded with sweet red beans, fruit, and ice cream. The US mainland turned it into carnival fare, with neon syrups and gummy bears. Every adaptation leaned into one trend: more sweetness, more excitement. Why sweet flavors dominate the market? Let's be honest, people love sugar, but there's more to it than just craving a treat. Sweet shave ice flavors thrive because they tap into nostalgia. Childhood memories of sticky sweet snow cones make simpler flavors like cherry or blue raspberry enduring favorites. They align with local tastes. In Hawaii, tangy lilikoi, passion fruit, and coconut rule. In Japan, matcha and black sesame hold their ground. They encourage creativity. Vendors aren't just pouring syrup anymore. Think lihing mui powder, salty dried plum, on mango shave ice, or cream caps for extra richness. The dessert's versatility keeps it fresh. Whether it's a traditional Kakigori stall in Tokyo or a food truck in California serving unicorn shave ice, complete with glitter, the trajectory is clear: the sweeter, the better. And with social media boosting visual appeal, vibrant, sugar-packed flavors aren't going anywhere. Top sweet shave ice flavors and their appeal. When it comes to shave ice, the flavor makes all the difference. Some syrups bring the fruity punch of sun-ripened mangoes, while others tap into childhood memories with candy-like sweetness. The best ones balance boldness and refreshment, turning a simple dessert into an experience. Here's why certain sweet flavors stand out, and why they keep people coming back for more. Tropical fruit flavors, a perfect pairing. Tropical fruits and shave ice are a match made in heaven. The bright acidity of guava cuts through the icy sweetness, leaving a tangy finish that feels refreshing under the sun. Passion fruit, with its floral sharpness, does the same but with an extra kick. These flavors work because they mimic the natural balance of fruit and sugar. Take mango shave ice, it's creamy, almost juicy, melting into a syrup that tastes like biting into a ripe fruit. Then there's lychee, lighter and floral, perfect for when you want something sweet but not overpowering. Popular tropical picks. Mango. Rich and velvety, like a sunset in syrup form. Guava. Tangy with a hint of earthiness, a staple in Hawaiian stands. Lychee. Delicate and perfumed, an underrated favorite. Pineapple. Zesty and bright, especially with a hint of chili salt. They're more than just flavors, they're little escapes to a beachside shack, no plane ticket required. Candy-inspired sweet flavors. Some shave ice flavors don't pretend to be natural. Bubblegum, cotton candy, and caramel exist purely for fun, and that's why they're irresistible. These syrups tap into nostalgia, reminding you of melting popsicles on summer afternoons or sticky fingers at the county fair. Bubblegum shave ice, electric blue and sugar forward, is a magnet for kids, and kids at heart. Cotton candy turns the whole bowl into something whimsical, like eating a cloud spun from pure sugar. And caramel, drizzled over ice with a hint of sea salt, brings a grown-up twist to the lineup. These flavors dominate because they're simple, familiar, and unapologetically joyful. Bubblegum. Bold, sugary, and wildly colorful. Cotton candy. Pure nostalgia in syrup form. Caramel. Buttery depth with a salty kick. No one's pretending these are sophisticated. But sometimes, you just want that jolt of sugary happiness. How sweet shave ice is made. Making sweet shave ice is part science, part art. The magic happens when ultrafine ice meets just right syrup, creating a dessert that melts evenly without turning into a soupy mess. Whether you're using a high-end machine or a hand-cranked shaver, the goal is the same, fluffiness first. But the real star? The syrup. Homemade versions beat store-bought every time, letting you control sweetness and flavor depth. And with toppings like condensed milk or chewy mochi, it's easy to take things from simple to spectacular. The art of shaving ice. Think of shave ice like a blank canvas. The texture, fine, snow-like, and airy, determines how well syrups soak in. Too coarse, and the flavor slides right off. Too dense, and it becomes a frosty brick. Here's how to nail it. Ice matters. Start with a solid block, not cubes. Freeze it overnight so it shaves cleanly, without crumbs. Sharp blades are key. Whether electric or manual, a sharp blade creates feather-light flakes. Dull blades crush the ice instead of slicing it. Shave in layers. Build height by shaving lightly, letting strands pile up like fresh snow. Packing it down kills the texture. Pro tip. If your ice melts too fast, it's likely not cold enough. Keep everything chilled, from the bowl to the serving plate. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.